Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Dian and I come from Indonesia University of Education. In this conference, I would like to share about my research. My research is about development of early childhood instructional material with illocutionary speech act. Introduction: Children's speech acts and the necessity for story text instructional material and messages can be conveyed through the use of appealing stories. Educators should create and construct character education for early childhood, and the presence of story text instructional material in early childhood education units, on the other hand, is still uncommon. Literature review. The child is required to master pragmatic abilities by Darjo Wijoyo. Speech act studies in language can be divided into three categories: locutionary acts, illocutionary acts, and perlocutionary acts by Austin. And illocutionary acts is performance of an act in saying something by Austin. And messages can be conveyed through the use of appealing stories by Sanjaya, and the teacher understands that stories are an effective way to teach children good behavior by Suira. Method: Educational research and development is a process used to develop and validate educational product, Bog and Gall, and the focus has tended to be on developmental research as an interactive, cyclical development process, as well as research in which developer theoretical concepts underpin the production of classroom test product, and research and information collecting, planning, develop preliminary from the product, preliminary field testing, product revision, main field testing, operational product revision, operational field testing, field product revision, dissemination, and implementation by Bog and Gall. Finding and discussion. The following are the results. Youngsters enjoy stories in general. Fable story appeal. Children prefer stories read by their teacher at school. And the impression of stories read by the teacher at school, and children prefer getting helpful advice in the story. And the result of the media expert validation of the three story titles. Cover and content page need a brighter and consistent in determining character costumes, and the font color in the content of the story should be clear, and the size of the paper should not to be too big, and pay attention to the grammar. And the expressive, assertive, directive, commissive, and declarative speech acts are included in the ABG story text instructional materials. Congratulations, thanks, praise, and criticism are types of expressive speech act. And the purpose of assertive speech acts is to say, report on, mentioning something, and ordering, begging, demanding, proposing, and opposing are forms of directive speech acts. And promises, oath, and threat are all forms of permissive speech acts. And declarative speech acts consist of deciding, cancelling, forbidding, allowing, and forgiving. Finding and discussion. Illocutionary acts in ABG, assertive speech act in the ABG story text, saying, 18 quote, reporting, 24 quotes, mentioning, 14 quotes. Directive speech acts in ABG story text, ordering, 2 quotes, pleading, 2 quotes, demanding, 1 quotes, suggesting, 2 quotes, opposing, 2 quotes, and expressive speech acts in story text. Congratulations, 2 quotes, gratitude, 3 quotes, and praise, 2 quotes, criticize, 1 quotes. Commissive illocutionary speech aids in ABG story text instructional material was not found, and declaration speech action in ABG story text instructional material, one cite, one quote, excludes two quotes, prohibit one quote, and apologize two quotes. Conclusion. The outcome of this study is a story text instructional material for young children that includes illocutionary speech aid. Speech aid design criteria in learning and performance criteria. According to the illocutionary speech aid design requirement, assertive types outnumber the other types with the following percentages: assertive 70%, directive 12.5%, expressive 10%, declaration 7.5%, and commissive 0%. These two criteria were determined using a media expert test, and their readability was determined using the result of a user readability test or teacher. And early childhood instructional material for story text with illocutionary speech aid design have only been evaluated into school and can boost children reading motivation and improve early language development. Thank you.